Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Honda battery. First, gather your tools: a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and a new battery. Safety is paramount, so always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes from battery acid. Before you begin, make sure your car's engine is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged to prevent any accidental movement. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Start by locating the negative terminal, which is typically marked with a minus sign. Using your wrench, carefully loosen the nut and remove the negative cable first. This is a crucial step for safety. Next, move to the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign, and repeat the process to remove that cable. Finally, unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray. You're almost ready to lift it out. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. First, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors with your battery brush to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely. Now, connect the positive cable to the new battery's positive terminal first, tightening it firmly. Then, attach the negative cable to the negative terminal, ensuring both connections are snug. Double-check all connections before closing the hood. You're almost done. Give all your connections a final check to ensure they are tight and the battery is securely fastened in its tray. Now, start your Honda to confirm that the new battery is working correctly and your car powers on without issues. For those looking to improve their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Remember to regularly inspect your battery terminals for any signs of corrosion and keep them clean for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.